Josh of KWEV. Now, unique name, I don't know what it does. Josh, tell us a little bit about KWEV.
Yes, so KWEV, we do electric vehicle charging stations for multifamily and commercial building owners. They want to add an amenity. Basically, if they want to give their tenants or visitors the ability to charge their car, whether they're for 15 minutes, an hour, 3 hours. And it's also something where they can drive more revenue, so the building owner actually makes money off offering this amenity. So we offer a turnkey solution. We have the platform and the app, so the driver, when he pulls up to the station, he could just take out his phone and start a charging session straight from his phone, or he can, you see over here, he scan this barcode and go directly to the website and start a charging session that way.
Now I don't know a lot about electric cars, but I know they have regular chargers and rapid chargers.
Yes.
You have both options?
Yeah, so we have both options. What you're looking at over here is considered a level 2 charger, which is in the slow family. So it's made for more like a utility for overnight or for an office space where people are there for a longer period of time. The level 3 chargers are basically more of a convenience, where somewhere is going to be there for like 10-15 minutes. It's more of an investment on that end, more costly, but we do that as well.
Well, KWEV hasn't been here, but I know I've seen you walking around the last few years. What made you come here and exhibit this year?
Actually, I saw you here last year. I said, if Yossi's here, I got to be here as well.
And it's 2 p.m. How's it been so far?
It's been fantastic. The turnout over here has been great. A lot of people that are interested and want to learn. It's been a great time.
Much hatzlacha.
Amen. Thank you, you too.